Hi friends, in this video I'll give you a review on Roborock Dyad Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner, and you'll get the link in the description below. Let's get started. Roborock Dyad Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Use Dyad to deeply clean your floors with water. Then admire the clean, dry floors it leaves behind, thanks to powerful suction tuned to altogether remove wastewater. Vanquish wet and dry messes. Make wet and dry dirt disappear at a stroke with Dyad power. The only dual roller motor, multi-roller wet, dry vacuum in the world. Disappear grimy water. Filled with grime churned up by the Dyad power system, dirty water is sucked up, and away, leaving floors clean and dry, not just for spills and stains. Deep clean your entire floor, with up to 3,000 square feet maximum cleaning range on a single charge. Bathroom floor soaked after a shower. You can dry that up, too, using a dedicated floor drying mode. Clean while you clean. While you clean your floors, your brushes clean themselves. So stop dragging a dirty rag across the floor. Start washing it with fresh, clean brushes throughout the whole clean. Better cleaning edge to edge. Clean better with more rollers. One full-length main roller plus 2 rear rollers equal massive cleaning power. Right to both edges of the cleaning head, leaving dirt no escape. Move fast and smooth. Whip smoothly around chair legs, table legs, and people's legs with an agile cleaning head. And with 2 counter-rotating rollers, you can push and pull using just one finger. No cleaning after cleaning. Push a button and transform your dirty rollers into clean ones. After cleaning, solid dirt is split from dirty water in the dirty tank. All that's left for you to do is empty it. Smarter than your average cleaner. Clean smart, not hard. In a fight against tough stains, adaptive cleaning turns up suction and water automatically. In tandem, an on-screen indicator tells you how dirty your floor is. Now you know where to focus. 13,000 Pascal intense suction. The 13,000 Pascal suction vanishes dirty water, leaving floors clean yet dry. Multi-cleaning scenes. Want to dry off wet bathroom floors? Switch to floor drying mode for maximum suction and suck the water away. Even stronger cleaning. When you want an even more powerful clean, a floor cleaner created for Roborock by Unilever is ready to help. Derived from plants and scented with tea tree oil. This cleaner amplifies the cleaning power and leaves your home smelling fresh. Listen out for alerts. Forget memorizing error codes or digging out manuals. Just listen out for voice alerts that tell you what you need to know. Folding holder. A folding holder is designed for better maintenance. With this folder, it can stand alone, and the water tank will be smoothly removed in a right angle without much effort. What's in the box? Dyad vacuum cleaner, handle, charging dock, power adapter, filter, maintenance brush, user manual. Thanks for watching.